Friends, open Pixar tab. Now tap on this plus icon and tap on edit a photo and select the background. Friends, this is our background. The first step, go to add photo and select the circle PNG. Simply stretch out like this and arrange in the center like this. Perfect. Now tap on tick mark. The next step, go to add photo and select the Instagram logo. Now arrange this Instagram logo in the center like this. Now we have to go to blend. We have to make it screen. Again arrange this Instagram logo perfectly in the center like this. Okay, now tap on tick mark. The next step, go to add photo and select the model image. Friends, this is the model image. By using this cutout tool, by using this outline, you have to erase the background. Okay, simply draw on the model image and you have to erase the background. Now tap on arrow. This is the model image after cutting the background. Now arrange this model image perfectly in the center like this. Okay, I have to arrange the model image in the center like this. Now tap on this shadow and tap on this position and you have to make it 1 or 2 and this one perfectly 100. Now go to adjust, increase the adjust to the 100 and second one you have to decrease and keep around 35. Now tap on tick mark. The next step you have to go to text and write Instagram. Now tap on tick and select the second font. Okay, Archio Black. Now stretch it and bring it down to the center here and now tap on this eraser. Tap on this eraser. Keep the hardness to 100 size here. You have to start erase. And after by using this restore, you have to again refill the portions perfectly like I am doing in the video. It is very easy and simple tutorial. You can simply download the PNGs and you can edit this type of photo editing tutorial. Okay, perfect. Now tap on tick mark. Tick. Now you have to go to add photo and select the emojis PNG. Okay, first I am going to arrange these emojis on the left side. Now tap on this layers, tap on this duplicate, tap on this flip rotate and tap on this third one and arrange the PNGs on the right side. Okay, perfect. Now tap on tick mark. Now go to add photo and select the shadow effect. This is the shadow effect and simply stretch it, decrease the size and keep under the shoes like this. It will give a natural shadow look. Tap on shadow, tap on layers, tap on duplicate and arrange another one below the next shoe. Okay, and if you want you can increase the size, stretch it, keep under the shoe. Perfect. Now tap on tick mark. The next step you have to give the touch up as usually. Go to tools, go to adjust, decrease little brightness, hue little contrast, clarity little bit, saturation also little bit, decrease little highlights, decrease little shadow, tap on tick. And the final step, go to FX, go to FX here and search for the vignette tool. Okay, tap on vignette, tap on settings, increase the size to 100 and fade it around 85. Perfect. Now tap on tick. Friends, finally our special tutorial is completed. Instagram creative photo editing tutorial. Now tap on save. See you in next video with new special concept photo editing tutorial.